Hey everyone, have you heard about Google Gemini? It's the new AI that's changing the game, and I'm going to show you how to start using it right now. It's super simple. First, just head over to geminigoogle.com in your web browser. You'll need to sign in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see a clean interface with a chat box at the bottom. This is where the magic happens. Think of it like a super smart assistant. You can ask it anything. For example, you can type, "Help me plan a 3-day trip to Paris," and it will give you a full itinerary. Or you could ask it to write a poem, explain a complex scientific topic, or even help you code. Just type your request, hit enter, and watch it work. It's an amazing tool for creativity, learning, and productivity. Give it a try and see what you can create. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.